What's going on, Street Drift Squad? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Yes, we are back in action. Got some nice, much needed rest. Little getaway vacay with the wifey and the family. Going out for her birthday, and it was a good time there. Good time to relax, unwind, kind of reflect, and just have fun. And that's exactly what we did. And your boy got a little almost burnt, but we made it. We're good.
Not a skin color, it's a lifestyle, Brian. So you wouldn't know that because you're white as a ghost.
We are back. Glad to be driving my baby again. It's been a long time. She's been cooped up in the garage. But today's an exciting day, guys. Yes, I know I say that every time, but you got to be excited when you wake up feeling blessed and you're doing something new to the car. So that's another reason to be excited. Today, we are heading out to Elite Ceramic Coatings, dropping the car off, leaving the car in their fully capable hands. We're getting the PPF, guys. Finally that time, finally time to get this done. And I'm so excited to be able to do this. Protect the car, make it look good, easier to wash. And yeah, shouldn't be too much worry driving behind Mr. Felix with his Viper and Tito with the AMG just spitting rocks and everything all over the car. So
no, God, please, no, 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 no!
It shouldn't be a problem now. Don't matter who's in front of me. But anyway, I'm gonna get that pull for you guys. Y'all just stick around for that because it's coming. Just gotta wait for a nice breakaway. Got wifey in the back there following. She's gonna give me a ride back because I can't be stuck there. Who knows how long it's gonna take. It's probably gonna take a while though. But yeah, man, it's gonna be an exciting time. I'm gonna show you guys the end results. Maybe we'll see if we can take a quick peek, show you guys how the shop looks as well, and introduce the leader over there and what all they do at that shop. So y'all stick around for that, guys. All right, guys, time for your early morning pull. Sheesh. Yes, sir. She's driving good, guys. I went ahead and I cleaned my air filter, or the intake air filter. I took it off, cleaned that up. You can hear the turbo spool. Very, very crisp. And she's pulling nice. That thing was really dirty when I took it out. I suggest you guys do it if you haven't done it already. Or maybe you just got your new air filter, so you don't have to worry about that yet. But it's definitely worth it. As far as your maintenance as well, you're gonna have to do it sometime. But you won't realize how dirty it is until you take it out and spray it with different chemical and, you know, rinse it out. You're gonna see the whole bucket turn pretty much dark black brown with all the stuff coming off your intake there. So that was pretty cool. Did that right before the trip, and now she's riding purdy. Guys, I missed out on so much this past weekend. They had a Hamilton collection come down. That was an insane event. And then on top of that, you had Stradman crash the party. That, woo, man, big movie right there for sure. And it is what it is. Definitely won't miss the next one, I'll tell you that. But we had a good time spending with the family, spending with wife's birthday, and giving her everything that she deserves. So that's a big blessing for me right there. And cars come and go. They'll be able to see them next time. And that's pretty much how I see it. But it is what it is. That's more important to me than what's going on around here. This is my hobby. It's my passion. I do it on the side. It ain't nothing to me. Like I tell you guys, making these YouTube videos, it actually felt weird being behind the camera again, just because it's been so long. But I love doing it, man. I do it for you guys. Obviously I do it for myself because, you know, why would I be doing it? But I like to appreciate all the followers that we have so far on the channel. We continue to grow. You guys continue to support. I appreciate you guys. If you're watching, you haven't hit that subscribe, go ahead and do that now. Look, it's a stop sign. We got time. I'll wait. There you go. Hit that subscribe. Help that channel grow. It's only going to get bigger and better from here. And we're having fun with it, guys. Man, I love it. I love to see you guys out there. I love to talk to you guys. I love to see the different cars. Some I've never seen before. Sometimes you guys do new stuff, and I get to see it as well. So all that's exciting, guys. And you know, I love to show it and bring you guys along the journey with me. And this is just a small part of it today. Doing the minor touches on the car to give it a longer life and be able to come out to these events looking fresh and clean, because you know drip is in the name, so we gotta have that drip on the car. It's only right. Yeah, guys, other than that, stay away from the hate, keep on your grind, keep doing what you love to do, keep the noise in the background, and just flourish. And that's the best you can do, is with anybody that's doubting you, you know, side talking you, shade, whatever you want to call it. The only way you can prove them wrong and prove yourself right is continue to grow, continue to flourish, continue to do it your way. Don't be no copier, don't follow anybody. Do what you want to do what you love, and have a passion for it, have a reason for it. And then the end results they'll show on their own. You ain't gotta reach for it, you ain't gotta do anything crazy for it, but just sit back and wait. Blessings will come in abundance.
More moments later.
Check it out, guys. We are inside the shop here. Really clean setup. I love the flooring. Everything here is beautiful, guys. Look at the lights. Sheesh. Got the boys over here putting in work. Bam. Real dope shop here, guys. Definitely in good hands. Can't wait. The baby's right here, about to get pulled in. Process gets started, and y'all gonna see the transformation once it's all done. All right, guys, we got good news and we got more good news. Good news, the car is done, and the other good news, we're picking it up the same day. Yes, I thought I was gonna have to get it tomorrow, but man, they put in their work. They got the magic hands over here, and definitely fully capable and know what they're doing. So I'm excited for that. And let me just tell you, I got a sneak peek of what it's gonna look like. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Oh my God! Wow!
Man, no games for sure. Y'all gonna see it, just wait. But yeah, we're pretty close to pulling up, and once we get there, we're gonna show you guys the results and show you guys the shop once again. Magic in the making. Hey, here we are, guys. We made it out here. We got the tunes playing, big tunes at that. Just gonna show you guys what's out here first. I don't know if y'all ready to see it. It is right here. Ooh, I'll give you a little peek. You ready? Bam! Come on now. Sheesh. No games. Yo, this thing is looking drippy, candy. Super clean. Damn. Every angle, guys. And they went ahead and washed the whole car for your boy. Sheesh. And over here you got a RHO. This is the replacement of the TRX. This thing's badass. V6 twin turbo, no more V8. But this thing definitely sounds nice still, and you can definitely get a lot of power, like 570 or something horsepower. Woo! Guys, look at this. I had to find this spot just to pull out for you guys. I appreciate Jamal for staying late. Y'all check them out. Elite Ceramic Coatings, man, they do work. This thing came out, hold up, let me see. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Right there, the way the sun's kissing it, so crazy, man. He stayed out late for me. I appreciate it. Like I said, it did get done early. I was supposed to pick it up tomorrow, but he's like, you know what, come through, you can get it now. Man, that is service, and outstanding quality service, because he did things I didn't even know. So with the PPF, obviously you got the whole front end, you got the fender here as well, the front bumper. Another thing he also did, not only did he do the mirrors as well, but this is black PPF. I didn't even know that. That's crazy. I thought it was clear. And he also did black PPF on all the accents here as well on the front. All have black PPF. That is crazy. And man, let me just tell you guys, look at this. Come on. Moment of silence. I don't even have to talk. I don't have to say anything. Just look how crazy this came out. All angles. Y'all definitely gonna see it when we pull up in the car meets, looking fresh and crispy.
Yo! Who that
creeping in the black on black. Pampered form as the Uber driver. Ooh. Yo. Hey, what's happening, baby? Marcus is killing them.
Ooh, man. It's like you just got like gel and just like smeared gel all on the front, especially how it looked under the lights. Y'all saw how that looked. Woo, nasty, guys. Y'all comment below, let me know. Super excited with the way it came out. I love the way it looks and just can't wait. Within time, obviously after it cures and everything, and do my first wash, because I know everybody says once you do PPF, it's super easy to wash. So I'm looking forward to that. Not looking forward to the wash part, but just seeing how well it'll actually work with it. Man, baby's back. Yes, sir. Gonna get a little B-roll here for you guys and head on to the outro. But man, I appreciate you watching. Hit that subscribe for your boy. Check it out, guys. I had to bring you out here just so I can show you how she looks in the sun. So we're gonna come around this side, which is where the sun's hitting. Ooh, listen to that purr though. Damn, she sounds crazy. There we go. Look at that. Let's hop on into the front end. Look how that's gleaming. Sheesh. So clean right there. Damn. Come on now, you're gonna tell me they didn't kill it? So sick. And you got the black PPF popping as well. Woo. Super clean. Oh yeah, right there. She ready to go. Crazy angle. On top of that, you combine it with the tint on the front windshield. Man, this thing looks so mean. Woo. Right there. Yes, sir. Let's come around again so we can give you guys a water view. Probably the best view out here. Bam. That's crazy right there. Y'all comment below. Let me know what you think. Man, there it is, guys. Like I told you, you definitely have to do it to your car. It is worth it. And just make sure you got to go to the right place, because if it's not done right, it'll look like a super hack job. Pretty much how I had my tints that came out with all the bubbles and creases. But yeah, you definitely want to go to the right place. And Elite Ceramic Coatings, that's where it's at. Shout out to the guys over there once again, making your boy excited, making me love my car all over again, and excited to drive it and excited to bring it out to places and show you guys. So y'all stick around, stay tuned for the next one. Street Drip, thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe for your boy. We'll see you on the next one. We're out.